𝒂𝒐𝒖𝒓 Consultancy is proud to introduce iFleets, a fleet management system to assist you in automating fleet operations and maintaining the efficiency of your vehicles and other equipment. iFleets can help you go from being reactive to being proactive. Keep track of every detail involving your fleet, never question what has been done or what needs to be done. Amazing features of iFleets: rental management, lease management, limousine management, fleet repair and maintenance, fuel management, traffic violation management, inventory and asset management, purchase management, operations and logistics, CRM, Salesforce integration, financial accounting, integrated HRMS. Key benefits of iFleets: real-time viewing of the entire fleet on a single screen, vehicle status, readily available, improved fuel efficiency, minimized fuel fraud, improved lifespan for vehicles and equipment, reduced maintenance and labor costs, tax deduction and insurance benefits, driver satisfaction and retention. For more information, contact us now.